to another tutorial by WepTech Academy. So in this tutorial we'll be looking at how to use the BLOB brush tool and the eraser tool. So with the brush tool, right click on here and we have the BLOB brush tool. So basically the difference between the BLOB brush tool and the brush tool itself is that the BLOB brush tool, when you draw, it considers it basically as a shape rather than a stroke, which is the case for the brush tool. So with the brush tool, this is considered as a stroke, while this other guy here is a shape. Let me go ahead and show you. So if I click on this, you see the base already shows me that it's a stroke, and you can change the color. Meanwhile with this, you see it's a shape. So these are the two differences with the brush tool and the BLOB brush tool. So basically both of them, with Illustrator, they give you the opportunity, the ability to just have smooth edges on the shape or stroke. So when you draw, you have smooth edges later on. It automatically adjusts it for you. So now let's go ahead and use the eraser tool. So now let's say I wanted to erase something. First of all, you need to select the thing you want to erase, and select the eraser tool, and you can get the part out somewhere. So it's basically like that. So now this is separate from the other guy here. So I select this, the same thing with the brush tool. I get this part off, and here it has a good rounded edge which I can see there. So this is how to use the brush tool, the BLOB brush tool and the eraser tool. Thank you very much for following up.